Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, one is taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone serious about their portable audio recording. The Gutmann Microphone Fur Windscreen Windshield, specifically designed for the Tascam DR-40, DR-40 V2, and DR-40 X. This koala windscreen, proudly made in Germany, promises to elevate outdoor audio capture significantly. When working with portable recorders like the Tascam DR-40 series, wind noise is often the biggest enemy of clean audio. A slight breeze can turn pristine recordings into unusable, distorted messes. This is precisely where the Gutmann Koala Windscreen steps in. Its primary function is to provide superior wind protection, allowing the recorder to capture clear, crisp sound even in challenging outdoor conditions. The furry exterior is engineered to diffuse wind before it hits the microphone capsules, drastically reducing plosives and rumble. One of the standout features, and perhaps a point of unique interpretation, is the mention of its transparent quality. While a fur windscreen is not visually transparent, this characteristic speaks volumes about its acoustic performance. It means the windscreen is designed to be acoustically transparent, ensuring that it does not color or muffle the sound captured by the Tascam DR-40. The recorder's natural frequency response and clarity are maintained, allowing the true audio source to shine through, unhindered by wind noise or the windscreen itself. This is crucial for professionals and enthusiasts alike who demand high-fidelity recordings. The compatibility with the Tascam DR-40, DR-40 V2, and DR-40 X is a major advantage. It's not a generic fit. It's tailored precisely for these popular field recorders, ensuring a snug and secure fit that won't slip off during use. While the product information mentions camcorder as a compatible device category, it's important to note that the Tascam DR-40 series are dedicated audio recorders, often used in conjunction with camcorders, or for standalone audio capture in video production settings. This windscreen makes the DR-40 an even more versatile tool for capturing professional-grade audio for film, documentaries, interviews, or nature sounds outdoors. The Made in Germany label instills confidence in the product's quality and durability. German engineering is renowned for its precision and robust construction, and this windscreen is no exception. It suggests a product built to last, capable of withstanding the rigors of outdoor use. The inclusion of a warranty card further reinforces the brand's commitment to customer satisfaction and product reliability. In practical terms, using this Gutmann Koala windscreen transforms the Tascam DR-40 into a much more capable outdoor recording device. It allows for greater flexibility in recording locations, freeing the user from the constant worry of wind interference. For anyone who frequently records outdoors with their Tascam DR-40 series recorder, this accessory is not just an add-on. It's an essential upgrade that protects recordings from environmental elements while preserving audio integrity. It's an investment that pays off in consistently cleaner, more professional-sounding audio.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.